Then in 3 minutes, we are starting. That will be enough waiting time. 3 minutes, we are starting. That will be enough waiting time. In 3 minutes, we are starting. So get ready. I believe today will be the last day about support and resistance. All right. Okay. 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 So, in our previous lessons, we have support and resistance. And I would say that please do not try to uh, record this onto my cloud because you are getting it full for nothing. Yet the lesson is being streamed live onto the YouTube channel. So I don't believe it would be important for you to request for a recording onto my cloud. you're getting it all for nothing, surely. Yet the lesson is appearing onto the YouTube channel. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our call for today. My name is Julius, and our focus is still support and resistance. In short, I would say our lesson is still focusing on support and resistance. And we are trying to come to the end of the lesson. And I believe today I will be doing my last touches about the lesson. In our previous sharings that we have had, we have described support and resistance into two different perspectives. One, we said that you could grow support and resistance in a horizontal perspective, which we have done several times. But at the same time, we said that in all our previous lessons, we have looked at support and resistance in a horizontal approach, meaning drawing support and resistance in a horizontal way. And I believe most of you have been able to see that being done. And so today, we are still moving in the same perspective to talk about support and resistance. But as we are coming to the end of the topic, in our past, okay, I hope my screen is clear. If you can see my screen, give me one in the chat. Yeah. Let me first start my day with please check your different charts. Check your different charts just in 1 minute. Check your different charts. Just check your different charts. Okay, I hope that is done. Check your different charts, please. That means our coin, those who are trading ONT, I hope you are out. Give me a yes if you traded ONT and it has delivered. Please, when you trade a coin, stop coming in my chat, asking me that why is it delaying? I'm not the market. Why is it that now it has delivered? You have not come in the group and shared results. People, sometimes you become a tangling subject. When it has not delivered, you are in my chat. Hmm? Okay, let me get to my topic. Let me go to my topic. Okay. So we described support and resistance. And basically, throughout all our lessons, we have, so I will pull this, I think this has been our main lesson to the lowest point. I'm just finishing it now. And I don't believe I will come again. Then to the close of the red candle at the bottom, you could draw a second line, meaning you have created a support area. Then you look above the current price. So the current price is here, guys. I hope you have made your entry because by the time I sent the signal, it was there. This was the current price. If you have not yet made your entry, I think you did. The signal, I gave it when it was at that exact price. And it went down a little bit to 28, then it has risen to 30. Give me a 2 if I'm right. I sent this signal when it was at 29. Now it is at 30. Give me a 1 in the chat if I'm right. It bought. It has even repeated the price. It is there now. I don't want someone to say, side late, it has bought. Give me one in the chat if it has bought. I don't want issues. Because you see some people. Now you look above from the current price, guys, and then you look above where the market was resisted, and this was the resistance. That was the nearby resistance where the market was resisted in that area. It is not a strong area, but it has, if you go below, behind a little bit, so let us use, let me delete this color. Me, I love using a rectangle. So you look at the higher high or the highest point in this area. To the close of the green candle, I'll take that so that I create a more nice looking trade. If you look in the past, you can see what happened here. Okay, it is a strong area, but not so much. It was much more respected around that place and around that place. But we can still go ahead and construct other areas. But remember, when we were discussing our trading experience, we said we are going to use tier, the trend of the market, and all of us can see that this is a downward trend. And we said on a downward trend, we pick our trend line, we press it from the higher high or the highest point, which is that, and then draw it above the candles. And there we go. There we go. But still, that was our main support and our main resistance. We can still go ahead, guys, and look through areas where the market was minor resisted or minor supported. Either we can stay in the 4-hour time frame and go in the 1-hour time frame to look for a better place, just like that, nothing much. And there is an area here. Although to me it is not so much clear that it has already been broken. It is around here, but it has already been broken. So let me keep my analysis in the 4-hour time frame because it gives me a clear picture. And so you can see this area here. It has a long wick down up to here, but I will consider the red candle at this point. So to the close of the body of the red candle, I will ignore this color down. There's this one going up from this below. I will ignore it simply because I've already created a support here, and I'll just now look above it, and there is a minor support around there. Okay. So, in a nutshell, when you come here on measurement and you go from current price, no matter where you are, to where the strong from the current price where we are to the main resistance above here, it is a 7%. When we take close to our take profit, which is a 3%, it is just above the second line where the market was resisted or supported, respectively. And if you look critically, it is seated just in that area. So once it moves above and breaks that small resistance, then the coin will be out. But if you are a long-term trader, you could keep in the trade until it goes to the other above resistance. Support and resist. What it is? Is this analysis that you don't, is support and resistance hard? Because I want now to simplify. Is support and resistance hard, guys? I don't know if it is hard because now me I say I don't need to add anything. Is support and resistance hard? I don't think I don't think it's a hard thing. It's not hard. I don't think it's a hard thing. Like for example, here, if you are a current price chaser, you know current price has issues, but it is it is highly profitable. If you're a current price chaser, you look at current price, you come here, it is going to deliver. Then you measure highly risky, highly profitable from here. It is heading to its the resistance. There's a 3%. You take two-thirds of the journey, 2%, you are going to go out. Current price chasers. The measurement is a tool. You come, I'm using a what? A PC. You come on measurement, you pick something is called price range. You look at your current price where you are, to where the resistance is. Like here, the resistance is here. I've done the line. If you are a current price chaser, but just know, so as you are trying to enjoy your current price, you also need to look at setting up margin calls. It is highly profitable, but when it gets your leg, so there is your first margin call. From current price, I said you always take two-thirds of the journey. You don't take the whole journey. From there, from here, that is margin call one. You want to find margin call two. You look below here, there you go with margin call two. There is another support or resistance around this area. So margin call one, margin call two. Then take profit. The more you draw, the more support and resistance lines you draw, the better you take profit. There is like a small minor resistance around this area. Around this area. Very small. It's going to deliver. Current price, you enter. By the time I finish talking, you'll be out. It's going to go there. It has a strong candle. Someone, this is, you take a 1.5, okay, if you fear so much. But it's going to go there. Why will it go there? Okay, candle interpretation. What type of a candle is this? What type of a chart pattern is this? Answers, some answers in the chat. What type of a chart pattern is this? Some answers in the chat. Is this a hammer short? Is this a hammer? Thank you. It's a morning star. There's no hammer here. There's a difference when I say a chart pattern, and there's a difference when I say which type of a candle. This one is a neutral candle, continuation. But me, I don't chase current price signals. There are so good people like them, but yeah, me, I don't chase the market. Let it go where it wants to go. It must deliver. Immediately that green candle is gonna close there. Few minutes. Hey, it's going to deliver. Second few minutes, the next move, 1.5. But me, I'm not a current price. I'm not a current price chaser. So when you are chasing your current price, I leave you go comfortably. But it is a nice trading approach. My Zoom is not responding. But now, someone will be saying it's going down. Yes, it has, but me, I don't chase current price. Me, I go back and I find coins that are not doing well. Oh, you can never see me chase, but it looks to be a good trade. Just know it can deliver faster, but it can also go with your leg. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear? It can deliver faster, but it can go with your leg. Let me know if I'm clear. I don't get. I don't want someone to always get out and look for me. There it is a good news. It will usually good trades, but they can usually go with your leg. Someone saying, how do you find a preset price? A preset price is just the price low, lower than the current price. The challenge is that my Zoom is not responding. Wait, my Zoom is not responding. A current price, you are entering at current price. A preset price is usually priced lower than the price I'm entering. For example, if I look at this trade, the challenge, my Zoom is not responding. The challenge, my Zoom is not responding. But I think I've stopped sharing. It is too risky, but it can always, because you are there, you are trading depending on the momentum of the market. So let me see if I'm back. La, 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 la. A preset price is usually priced lower than the current price. Mhm. For example, Chainlink is usually a good point, but let me go up. Let me check. Just wait, guys. I'm looking at. I'm trying to trade news. I'm just trying to trade news. I'm looking at coins that have news around them. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to look at coins that are coming from the Ethereum blockchain because in the near future there is upgrade. Okay, for example, Ethereum. I'm gonna set a preset price. I come here, I confirm Ethereum is on a downtrend. I draw my support and resistance. Then I say, when Ethereum touches this price, let my robot buy. This lower, quick. Yeah. Not too low because it may not get there. Not too low, but just around there. So it is a preset price. I draw my support and resistance, then say I'll wait for this coin to come down here. When it reaches there, let it buy. That is resistance. That is what? Preset price. Maybe Matic, when I confirm that coin is on a downward trend, I wait for it in a corner. There's a coin. There is a coin in my head. But also, someone is asking me, how are you thinking about coin? The coin misbehaved yesterday. Not reach where I wanted it, but it's well, it's fine. Like, for example, this one, I can say when it comes down to around maybe this point, a little bit lower, or maybe this point, this one here, let my robot buy. So I set this as the set price, a price lower than the current price. Can we do the smartphone? Yes, you can. You can do this on a smartphone. Me, I'm using it to give you just a clear picture. Okay, I have 10 minutes. Now let me introduce an indicator to help people who cannot draw support and resistance. My first indicator, when you tap on the plus sign, then you go to indicators, then you go to technicals, is an indicator that indicates the trend of the market. And that indicator is called A, B, C, D, V1. You tap on plus. My first indicator, now I'm going to indicators that show the trend of the market, is an indicator called A, B, C, D, V1. And it is there. Once you reach the indicator, you tap on the star. It means it becomes your favorite. Then you tap on it once. The indicator will come into your screen. And when the indicator appears on your screen, the second step, ladies and gentlemen, is to go on top and tap on the indicator. There is an eye. When you tap on the eye, the indicator will disappear. So I'll tap on it again. Then you come on settings. On the setting icon is the next. Is it not responding now? The internet is misbehaving. Sorry, guys. Hey, there is something I've not done. I don't know why I went. My mindset changed. Oh, no, 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 no. Let me come here. I've ran very fast. Let me use my phone. I don't know why I went into indicators very fast like that. No, 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 no. Okay. So here we come. Um, okay. So yeah, I'm now using a phone. Someone was talking about the phone. I'm on the phone now. So here I'll pick my rectangle. That is support. Nearby resistance is there. And this coin will go back again up until deliver. So if someone traded with margin calls, they will enjoy. But still, we described also another tool. When you come here and you come in these tools down here, there is a tool we call a parallel channel. If you want to draw a trend line above the candles, and I will pick this highest point here, you see, then I stretch it like that. 2 to 3 touches are enough. I will not do like this. No, I will just have the higher highs there. 2 to 3 are enough. Then tap on it once. Then stretch it in the middle to the lowest point. I hope you can see that the market was forming what we could call lower lows. So you could see the market from here where we started. It came down up to here, moved up in the middle place here, moved here, there, moved here, moved there, moved here, moved there, and it might touch this line here, and move back again. Can we see that? So now, in a parallel channel, I don't know what has happened to the other side. On the parallel channel, you are constructing this is resistance, this might be support, and this is support. But at another time, it might be resistance. I don't know if that is clear. So you can also use a parallel channel to trade. Support and resistance. So when you are using the parallel channel to get a perfect picture, whenever this line, whenever candles touch this line, so this becomes, whenever there is a touch on this line and a touch on this line, you draw the horizontal line. It becomes support and resistance whenever there is a touch. There's a touch here, you draw a line. Because this middle line is also an area or a line. There is a touch. I don't know if this will be clear, but I'm trying my level best. You see, when it comes and touches here, you draw the line. I don't know if I'm clear. When it comes and touches here, this line, you draw the line. I don't know if I'm trying to be clear. It helps you find those small entries and exits on a parallel channel. What I mean is that whenever a candle touches this middle line, like here, this count there, you draw there what? A line. The PC brings out a very nice picture, but I don't know why it is. It keeps misbehaving because the phone, okay, is good, but sometimes it doesn't bring out a nice picture. So let me try again. Especially now that I'm teaching, I need you to get a clear picture of what I'm talking about. Okay, now this is back, one of the coins most of you hate. Come on these drawing tools. And pick a tool called a parallel channel. Let me say this is the highest high. All this one, I don't care. All this one, any you want. Then you stretch it. Make sure you have 2 to 3 touches. You could even go as low as this. I don't know. It's up to you. 2 to 3 touches. And there I get my touch. Then you double tap. It will bring a middle one like this one. You tap it. You tap in this middle one. This one in the middle. Then you drag to the lowest points. So what you have constructed is a parallel channel. You see, when you construct it, it comes with a middle line. If you want to make it more clear, you tap on the line. Then on top, it usually has these 3 dots. So you can go ahead, tap on the 3 dots. And also on top, it has a setting icon. So you can come on, tap on the setting icon. Then decide. Maybe you want to extend the line to the left. It will continue. Maybe you want to extend the line to the right. It will continue. You see, it is even about to go out of my screen. It goes. It is there up to when I don't know. So those are settings. You could draw it, then you instruct it to extend to the right or to extend to the left. Like you see, after doing my extension, you can see the market has been moving in between. I don't know if you can see this. It may not be perfect, but I hope you can see the move in between. Still, when you tap on the thing and tap on settings, you could decide to make the middle line. Maybe you say, I want my middle line to be red or to be orange, any color. Or you say, I want mine to be black. You see, it turns black. It is dotted. You tap on it and you say, no, I want it to be a line. And that's how you draw the middle line. It is already in the drawing tool. Let me go back to that coin called, I love the coin, guys. I'm sorry, but I love the coin. I'm now a very stupid trader. Sometimes there are coins I trade because I love them. Even if they're not going to give me profit, me, I love the coin. I don't care. See, when I joined Royal Q, and I learned that, for example, according to our previous immediate discussion, I said you come and look for a higher high, then draw your trend line. Sorry, guys. When you are drawing your trend line, you don't need to be perfect. You're just looking for 2 to 3 touches. I've got them. Then I tap once. Then I extend it to the lowest point. Maybe I like this. Okay, that's my lowest point. And it has my 2 to 3 touches, and I'm done. And it's there. So whenever there is a touch to the middle line, I draw there a vertical line. Yeah. So I'll start. There's a touch here, right? On this line here. So I'll draw the line. Come. I'm trying to look for, remember, I've already drawn my vertical support and resistance. There is a touch here. A touch. It's important. I'll draw the line. There's a touch. There's a touch here. Whenever the market will touch my middle line, I'll draw the line to help me get those nice points of entry and exit. I'll draw the line. Remember, when we were aligning support and resistance, I said on a lower bottom here, you draw this, but you create an area at the close of the red candle. So I will draw a second line there. Now, this will be my preset price. I'm waiting for the market to come down to this price, 31.12. And when it touches, let the robot buy. Someone was asking me preset price. Then my take profit could be this. Now let me go to another tool, because this one now I know. So if I'm this person who say current price, I can enter, then my first take profit is there. Or me, I can say no, me, I will go up to this where it gets to this line there, and it will be my 5%. And it will deliver this 5%. This is a very good coin. If I want to get out fast, I take 2/3 of the journey. Then margin calls. The margin calls are here. No people about to ask me, what about margin calls? The margin calls are here. From current price to this line, margin call 1. Let me pick from this to this down lower line, margin call 2. Now, me, I don't waste time with this when I'm gonna give a signal. I just say bull run strategy, because I see it is already 3%. But if you want to be specific and you are trading by yourself, go per margin call. Me, I'll just generalize this and I give a general drop. And there you go. Yesterday, I think I just took to my profit. I don't know why I did move on. But I was supposed to. Okay, but it's well. The coin will come back. I see it is gonna. It's now buying more margin calls, and I'll make more money. Now, are we okay? Give me one if you're okay with the parallel channel. It's a very important drawing tool. You can use it to trade and find areas of support and areas of resistance. Now, if you cannot draw support and resistance, there is a tool that is going to draw this for you. There is an indicator. And I want to introduce this indicator now. Then we call it a day. I will explain it tomorrow. Tap on indicators. Let me start with that. And the indicator, come on technical. The indicator is called pivot point standard. I'll explain tomorrow, but I want to leave the indicator. The indicator is called pivot point standard. Tap on the star. Then you tap on it once. It will get into your screen. It will get into your screen. And once it gets into your screen, the name will appear on top. The name will appear on top. The eye makes the indicator disappear. The eye makes the indicator open. Tap on the setting icon. Come here on the type. Where there is traditional, I recommend Fibonacci. The rest, leave them as they are, they okay. If you want, these are the lines. The first one is called pivot. I'll explain so much tomorrow. This one is support 1, support 2, support 3, support 4, support 5, resistance 5. So I could reduce some of these so that my screen doesn't get too much filled, so that I could have support 1 up to support 3. Just. And then I said, I'll explain the indicator so much tomorrow, but the indicator will always show you areas of support and areas of resistance. Let me remove my lines so that I could show the indicator. The indicator will help draw for you the lines, especially. But there is no indicator that is perfect. You know, someone may say the indicator is never perfect. But I will explain how to use the indicator tomorrow. But the indicator will draw for you lines of support on every trade and lines of resistance on every trade. So the indicator will do the work for you. Okay, the indicator will do the work for you. Yeah. The indicator will do the work for you. The indicator will show you areas of support and areas of resistance. And so we are going to discuss the indicator tomorrow. Okay? We are going to discuss the indicator tomorrow. I don't know if I'm clear. Someone is. So if you don't want to draw by yourself, you can use the indicator. But me, I love drawing by myself. Suppose the coin doesn't go down. What happens to the set margin call? Nothing. They will not be bought. So I hope you see where we had drawn our line. It is support 2 down here. And so it could be the preset price. So I will describe the indicator tomorrow. But it is there. If BEC gets supported there and it doesn't go down, then we can see BEC go back to 0.3500. Okay, but okay, the indicator is there for you. I will describe how we use it tomorrow. It draws for you lines of support and it draws for you lines of resistance. Are we okay? Any question? I will teach the indicator tomorrow. So if you don't want to draw, by yourself. There you go. But I believe everybody needs to learn how to draw by themselves because the indicators are not always perfect. So you add the indicator, then the indicator shows you areas of support and areas of resistance. Any question? Any question? Any question? Is this on YouTube? Yes. So if a coin sells, will it get rid of the other margin calls? How? I don't understand. How will the coin get rid of the margin calls are in the settings? There's nothing you lose. If it doesn't buy them, it's okay. There's nothing you lose if a coin doesn't buy the what? There's nothing you lose if the coin doesn't buy the margin calls. When you are trading a new coin, you create new settings again. Okay, guys. I hope I would now be able to come to the end of the call. I will give this. I will describe these two tomorrow. Hope we have had a nice time. The market is not yet so good, but we shall win within the bad market. This coin is going to retrace a little bit now. Since it has, you see, guys, this is what we discussed. Look here. Look here. This was the breakout candle that broke our support. Give me one in the chat if you can see that. If you can see a breakout candle, give me one in the chat. Nobody has put these indicators to me, so nobody should be in the chat telling me why are you not teaching this indicator. You're not the one who told me to come and bring the indicator. I'm the one who has brought it. I told you I'll teach tomorrow. Please don't force me. I'm the one who has told you. You give me time. Some of you are very insulting, but it's well. Then a green candle forms above it. So maybe like any other trader, you would confirm that this is a breakout. And maybe, if you remember, our signal was around here. Our signal was around here. But then later, a red candle comes up, the sellers come up, and they sell. And so you find that if this candle closes below here, then this coin will go into some little floating loss. But if this candle closes above here, then we are going to see our 3% deliver first. Now, some of these factors we do not control. So I don't want anybody to be emotionally attached to a trade. That after you have confirmed the breakout, then things go the other way around and you become annoying. I don't know if I'm clear because this is what is happening here. If it closes below, because this could be the test candle, which we didn't wait for because generally the candle was like confirming a breakout. But if it closes above this color in here, then we are gonna see the market move up. But if it closes below, then it's gonna retrace a little bit. Give me a two in the chat that is there. So nobody should always get attached to coins when there is a retracement. You just need to be patient with your trade. I don't know if that is clear. Leader, how do you connect trading view to Royal Q? I see your side. I see your side by side. No. You go and analyze your coin in trading view. You go and trade in your Royal Q. This is an area of analyzing the market. I can see Royal Q in your trading view. There is no Royal Q here. Where is Royal Q? Where is my Royal Q? This one. This is not Royal Q. No. This is a list of coins that we are trading in Royal Q. Either way. I don't know if my list adds, but I want to add these new coins that were introduced by Royal Q yesterday. But I don't know. Trading view now these days is very stubborn. It wants you to pay. No way, no way. Essential 1,000. Great now. Let me see. But me, I will die on free version. Now I will die on a free version. $12 per month. Yeah. Quick charts, 5 indicators, 10 historical bars. No ads. 2 parallel chart connections. Bar replay. Indicator on indicator. What about before I go profession? You want to steal me because I tapped on not profession. Hey! Hey. Experts pay more money. I'm non-professional. Eh, eh, eh. I'm non-professional. I'm non-professional. I will I will use what I can afford. No, I don't need to pay for trading view. I can keep on. No. Here there is no scamming. Here there is no scamming. Here there is no scamming. Yeah, $12.95. Someone is saying you have money. Why don't you pay? I think I invest, guys. I invest in this team every month. Every month, my wife will confirm with me. I invest $430 in crypto ambassadors every month. Every month I invest $430 in the team every month. So I don't want to keep on adding expenses. I invest in crypto ambassadors $430 every month. I invest in you guys a lot of money every month. $430. The maximum I can do is 500. I don't want to exceed there. Someone is saying, because I invest. You know, when you get started in crypto ambassadors, we give you a flyer for free. Okay, we give you flyers for free. So your upline needs to help you get our flyer. I pay someone monthly who does that. I pay for Zoom where we have these classes on a monthly basis. I have a team of Signal guys. I give them some allowances every month. Yeah, because they spend some time when I'm not around, and I look into the market when I'm not around. So I pay them every month. I need to look. My wife needs to show me, but there's a lot of small other payments that I pay to make sure that you guys make money. But okay, I will pay. This is very little money, 12.95. But I can still, me, I've not paid for trading view since I started. But this is cheap. Even I can afford this one. But what happens in profession? But there are more. Oh, I cannot call that money for what? Even I'm not using one for pay. This is enough. 5 indicators per chart, 10 historical bars, 20 price chart alerts, 10 technical alerts. These are enough. Volume profile. This is okay. So when you tap on buy, if you go in for a full year, you'll pay $155. If you go in for a monthly, you'll pay this. Those of you want to pay me, I will never pay. Me, I want things for free. I can manage. I will keep on removing this indicator, putting this one. But I can pay because there are certain indicators I would love to teach. Then you enter your Visa card. Okay. You enter your credit card. If you are in Uganda, you can use Airtel card. You can also use open up a cheaper cash, get a Visa card on cheaper cash, and install your cheaper cash. Because maybe there is an indicator I would love to teach. I might pay. You can even pay via crypto. You can pay via crypto. I hope you see. Payment via crypto are here. And there is Bitcoin. There is ERC20, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcash, USDT, ERC20. Then there is Matic Polygon. Then you choose, but why are they not allowing Matic? No, this is the cheapest. Why? Caution, this payment method is non-recurring. So you can only use it for annual subscription. So you guys, do you want me to leave my $155 to you for full year? Apana. We'll go for monthly. That is, I can use that money to be trading in Royal Cube. So I give it to you. Go and suffer. So annually, let me see. 274. This capital can make me a millionaire. I give it to you once. Goodbye trading. We are not going to. I'm not going to pay. I can still use the free version. So I've been using free version for a very long time and I'm successful. But I can pay maybe because I want to show you certain other things that you can use. But I've been using free version for a long time. So if it's not a paid version, this coin will do well. It will go up again. It will build a new momentum. But this we shall discuss tomorrow. But guys, I think that's enough. This was my just my free time. But I wish a nice trading experience. The market is still not ascertained, but just be patient. Wow, what a nice trade down here on WRX. If you have your money, you can trade WRX. It's a nice trade at an area of reversal. Go current price, take your 3%. It will deliver. It will deliver. It's a nice trade, by a very good one. Okay. I hope we stop here. Me, I'm just doing my. Someone is saying, but please pay. Okay, I will pay. $12 is affordable, but I can always interact indicators one against the other and still be able to basically trade. I can interact indicators. Remove this, add this. So me, I have no issues. But I will pay for someone so that you could see what happens on a paid version. But I'm not paying now. All right, guys, have a nice, perfect day. I love you all and bye. Till tomorrow. So in short, horizontal and parallel channels, akaimba. Okay, I'm gonna play you a song.